Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. If you are a YEARN Finance holder or if you are a YEARN Finance investor, please check this video. Also, we are going to see the next price targets. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now and see YEARN Finance. So YEARN Finance approximately had a fake pump, as we called it many times in the previous videos. Fake pump of around plus 15%. You can see right there, it is recovering all this mess right here, going all the way down. Now, what is next for YFI? Is it possible going to have a run towards the upside, or is this it and we are going to go further down into the next support levels below the 10.6k? I want to tell you something about the weekly frame that I'm seeing very sweet. First of all, it is getting rejected from the 20-day moving average right here, and the fact that we are approaching the stochastic RSI into an overbought situation, it doesn't help so much with this situation right there. Also, if we go to the YFI against Bitcoin chart, you can see that we are forming right here a descending triangle in an uptrend. This is a rare pattern, but it happens. Okay, we have this one right here. You can see the lower highs with the same lows right there. We are finding a little bit of a buying pressure because we approach the bottom trend line right here, and this is the reason that we are getting a little bit higher. At the end of the day though, what I'm thinking about YFI against Bitcoin chart in the weekly scale, it is that we are going to correct even more, going further back down. Now, what is next? Can YFI against Bitcoin chart by some miracle actually go all the way higher? I think it is impossible. Maybe right here in the lower time frames we are going to see a little bit of a buying pressure coming in, maybe though, but the most probable scenario, it is into the next few hours to the next few days to do something like this, going down, losing this support level, and then the real bearish market will start for YFI against Bitcoin chart, and therefore for YFI against USDT. Now, BTC right here, it is not in a best situation possible. What I mean by that is I'm expecting BTC to correct even more, going further down. This won't help YFI and the other altcoins as well. Okay, and especially now that I'm expecting a correction for YFI against Bitcoin chart. What are the next support levels for YFI against Bitcoin chart? We are going to see them right now. I'm going to draw a Fibonacci from the bottom to the top. A bullish pennant right here, formation after an uptrend. We had a breakout going on. For now, we are holding this line of 0.4637, but I think that we are going to fall down, going all the way to the 0.4277. Okay, this will be the line that will just take us all the way further down into the next few days to the next few weeks. This will bring YFI against the USDT chart possible further down into the next support levels right here. Okay, below the 10.6k, possibly going all the way down towards the near 9k. I'm going to do something right here. I'm going to draw the weekly bearish Fibonacci retracement. That means from the bottom to the top to find major support levels. And you can see that the first support level is to retest the 10.3k after going down to the 9k, maybe even to the 7.8k. Why am I so bearish? Because I'm not seeing any bullish things for YFI. This is why I'm so bearish right now. The only thing that can go well and we can have an uptrend closing above this line right here, it is if maybe BTC wakes up and finally, for example, gets to be hugely bullish going all the way upwards. Although I'm thinking that this is nearly impossible right now. Maybe if BTC does that, then YFI will be going all the way up as well. In the meantime, I'm not so confident that YFI will be going up into the next weeks. Now, for the shorter term, we can maybe have a little bit of a buying pressure right here. I would say that, there was a possibility before I'm checking the YFI against Bitcoin chart that maybe we are having right here a bullish pennant. Okay, a bullish pennant formation coming in, and we are having higher lows and lower highs. However, it is not convincing yet, and it is not convincing to me that we are going to go all the way up to the next price targets, for example, to have a little bit of a buying pressure, a little bit downside, and then we break above. Not convincing. I think that the most probable scenario, it is to go further down for YFI against Bitcoin chart. And for Wi-Fi against USDT, that means that BTC is going to go further down. Personally, in my own humble opinion right there, you do not have to follow anything from what I say if you disagree on that, okay? And I truly believe that some people might be disagreeing into the terms of USDT and the Wi-Fi price analysis, but I am here because many people would think that this is a hugely bullish pattern, although it might not be the case, and we might go further down. Unfortunately, this should be the case right here for Wi-Fi against USDT. Hope I am wrong and people will just people actually, sorry for that, that bought Wi-Fi around here will just get Wi-Fi. Okay, yeah, and maybe we go into some next price targets. I really hope that for people who bought at the top can reclaim their profits, but at the end of the day, I'm here to tell you the truth. I'm not thinking that Wi-Fi will be going all the way higher. I'm thinking that Wi-Fi is probably to go further down right now, getting rejected, possibly having a little bit of a nice downtrend. Even today, maybe we will see about where we can go. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MajorCrypto, and of course, see you soon with many more videos. Bye.